Florida was so fun, Dad, but I'm excited to get home. Me too. Let's go home. You can see your mother and your sister. Yeah, that'll be fun to see them. We haven't seen them in a week. Let's go home. We'll be there any minute. What is this cord doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, ow. Dad, ow. I'm coming. He's not okay. I'm calling 911. 911, what's your emergency? We just got in an accident and my son fell out of the window. Okay, ambulance and police are coming. A kid just got in an accident. You have to go quick. Okay, we're going. Hurry, he could be really injured. Let's go. Get in the car. Turn on the siren. Let's go. Here. He doesn't seem to be too injured. We have to hurry. The kid was in an accident. He could be really hurt. Yeah, let's go. I see it. Let's pull it quick and try to get him in as fast as possible. Okay. Are you the dad? Yes. Okay, get in the ambulance because you can come with us to the hospital. Okay, I'll come with you guys. Get him on the stretcher quick. The dad's coming with us. Go. Let's go. We have to get there as fast as possible. He doesn't look to seem too hurt, but he could be. Let's go. Get him into the hospital really quick. We have a doctor already ready to go up there. Let's go. Going up the elevator now. Okay. The doctor will be with you soon. Okay. Thank you. Hello, I'm Dr. Adams. I'll be checking in on your kid today. Well, he seems to have a concussion, so I'm just going to put this headpiece on him, and he's going to have to wait a day. Okay, that should work. 1 day later. He seems to be fine to go, so you guys can leave now. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Thanks for watching.